To take your business to the next level, you have to be both a leader and a manager. Leadership is the ability to set a direction and gain people's willing commitment to follow you in realizing that direction, your vision for the business. Let me give you an example. One of the clients with whom we've worked for 10 years is Jason Boudreau of Vela Wealth. When we started working with Jason 10 years ago, he was 30 years of age. He had a team of 2. We started out by asking him, what is your vision for the next 10 years? He said, in 10 years, I will be the CEO of a multi-million-dollar business. Today, Jason has a team of 20 and is running a multi-million-dollar business. He has grown his business 30 times in the last 10 years. Jason is playing the long game. In 1997, Jeff Bezos was interviewed in Wired magazine, and he was asked, to what did he attribute the success of Amazon? He said, most people plan 1 to 3 years out. We plan 5 to 7. The further out you plan, the rarer the space. Jason Boudreau is an example of that. Jason is playing the long game. The second way in which entrepreneurs excel is to play the infinite game. Most entrepreneurs are doers. If you're like other successful entrepreneurs, you're a doer. You're being successful because you get things done. The key to breakthrough performance is to leverage the time, energy, creativity, and intelligence of others. Now you're playing the infinite game. You're leveraging people, capital, and technology to become more than the sum of what you can do alone. The third element, though, is your game. Each of us is unique. There are 2 characteristics that differentiate high-performing entrepreneurs. The first is that they optimize. Optimization, by definition, means to make best and most effective use of. It starts with you, making the best and most effective use of your talents, designing the business that is right for you. And the second is leverage. High-performing entrepreneurs leverage people, capital, and technology. They attract the right talent, develop the right talent, to free them up to work at the highest level of their capability. When you're working at the highest level of your capability and you have engaged people around you, you create breakthrough performance. That's what we do at the Covenant Group. We help you play the long game, the infinite game, and most importantly, your game.